Here we're back with Toy Tot. We have another surprise today. So let's take a look inside and see what it is. It's Thomas and Friends Take and Play Portable Railway. You have 2 locations in one, and it's Diesel's Double Delivery. You have a collectible Diesel right up here who's going to move around the tracks once you get it set up. Take the Diesel out first. And we've got Diesel. Once we have Diesel out, we'll take out our railway. We have a little tower that we can add. And then the instructions you'll find right here on the bottom of the box. This will help your mom and dad know how to put it together, how to open it, and how to fold up your portable rail set when you're finished playing. It's like we have the oil yard on one side. Okay. We'll go ahead and open up the track. Remember, it tells you right here how to open it. So you're going to go up here to the top and open. There's a little latch. Some stickers that we can add. So you're just going to open up your track and we'll flip it over. You can put your oil tower wherever you'd like just by sticking it in one of these little notches. What we'll do here is we will add the rest of the oil yard over here on this section of the railway. This is a sticker, so you're just going to peel it off. You can do this by yourself or have mom and dad help you. These little notches are going to line up in the circles. And then you're just going to go along and push it down, making sure your sticker is flat. Start at one side and work your way across. You won't get any air bubbles in there, and it'll look nice and flat. You can get Diesel on the track, and if you have some other Thomas the Train engines, you can add them on the track and play with them as well. And if you have other portable rail sets, you can connect them and make your track even longer. So now, if we want to look at the other location, we can flip our track over, open up the barriers so that our track is free to go, and then we're going to add our sticker over here on the smooth side. This side over here already has some rail images. So we're going to put this one over here. We might want to go ahead and move the barriers while we place the sticker on. And again, we're just going to slide it into place. Push it down nice and flat. And put our barriers back up. Just a cart around. And here Diesel is ready to run the tracks again. And we can even put our oil rig up, again, if we'd like to. And he can just go any way he wants to go. Wants to make a shorter loop. So you'll have lots of fun playing with Diesel on either side of the track. And then when you're all finished, you can fold these back out. That's going to help it all stay together. Diesel can stay inside here in your oil rig. Fold these pieces back in. Close up your box. When you're all ready to go, you can take your portable railway to Grandma's house with you, or you can play at the park. You can take it almost anywhere, even play with it during long car trips when you and your parents are driving somewhere. Thanks for joining us at Toy Tot. We hope you had a good time learning about Thomas and Friends Take and Play Portable Rail Station Diesel's Double Delivery.